Hello guys, Sat Shri Akal and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I post videos related to beauty, fashion, DIYs. And please click on the bell icon to receive the future video notifications. So a few days back on Facebook, my friend shared a video, another YouTuber's video, J Supercore, and that video was about natural instant hair dye. Since I have grey hair, I really liked the idea. I watched the full video. I thought I will give it a try. So I haven't used it yet. So I'm going to try it in front of you guys and let you know if it really works or not.
For this we need only 2 ingredients. Number 1 is 2 to 3 spoons of amla powder, also known as gooseberry powder. And then we are going to add half cup of water to it. If you find the paste is a bit thicker, you can add extra water. So bring this mixture to boil and then keep it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After keeping it 10 to 15 minutes on the heat, turn off the stove and keep it aside for 24 hours. It should look something like this, even darker.
So I'm going to use old toothbrush. So guys, my hair is almost dry. I kept on brushing my hair so that it doesn't become too stiff. So as you can see, I had 3 or 4 strands of grey hair here. I would say I'm quite impressed with the results because my hair now, it doesn't look completely white or grey compared to my other black dark hair. So it's kind of merging with my hair now. Another thing is it's so natural. So I'm pretty happy with this hack. I would give it 8 out of 10. So I'm definitely gonna try it later on if I feel like my grey hair is showing. So I would definitely give it a big thumbs up. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys have learned something new today. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, share your feedback in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye!